Salamander Commander here, and today I am back with another unboxing video. Today we have Naruto Trading Cards. Now, I got this box from Temu, I'm gonna say Temu, and this was very cheap. Like, I got this for like $8, this whole box. Now, I don't know much about Naruto. I only know, like, Naruto himself, Sasuke, Kakashi, and Sakura. So, I won't know everyone's name, but I figured I'd open these up and see what we get in these packs. So we're gonna do the whole box and see what we get inside. So let's start with pack number 1. Wow, that did not want to cut. That is... Okay, there we go. It's like, oh my god. Or should I just... Okay. So, our first card ever. This guy. Okay. Got that one. A woman holding a pig. Okay, that's nice. Ooh, we got Sasuke. Very cool. Ooh, and we got a holographic Sakura. Nice. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, and I'm not gonna cut this video. Like, I'm not gonna do it clip by clip. I'm just gonna open the whole thing in one take. I'm gonna at least try to do that without screwing anything up. We got... Oh, that's back. Alright, we already have a duplicate of Sasuke. That's okay. That's no big deal. We got Itachi? Is that his name? I think that's his name, Itachi. Again, I could be wrong though. I don't know anything about Naruto. What? Huh? Okay, that's weird. We got 2 Sasukes in the same pack. We got this guy. This red guy. Hey! We got the main man, Naruto himself. Cool. Alright. Now let's see if we can get Kakashi. That'd be pretty cool. Pack number 3. Alright. We got this guy. We got Naruto. We got this ponytail guy. Ooh, we got Naruto with kunais. It's a pretty cool looking card, not gonna lie. And we got this guy. He's a holo card, which is cool. Alright, I like that. Moving on with pack number 4. Alright, we got a double of Naruto with kunais. That's cool. Got a double of the lady with the pig. Ooh, we got this guy. I have no idea what's going on there. Is he supposed to be a werewolf or something? Again, I'm really sorry. I don't know any of the names of Naruto. I have not watched the show. I've only known Naruto through Fortnite. And I got this box because it was super cheap, and I just thought it would be really fun to open something that I've never opened before. And, you know, just like explore and see what we have. And cool, we got Sakura. Nice. And our rare is... Ooh, look at this guy. That's pretty awesome. Alright, sweet. Alright, pack number 5. That should be opening from the back. So... Okay. Got some orange-haired dude. Alright. This guy with the sword. Nice, nice. Another sword person. We got this person. Very cool. And our rare is a guy wearing a hat and a scarf. Looks like he's waving at me. Hello. Alright, cool. Alright, pack number 6. I'm hoping I did not just cut the cards. Oh, what's her name? She's another character that was in Fortnite, but I completely forgot her name. I feel so bad, but we got this person. She looks cool. I do like her. It looks like, I believe this is a duplicate of the ponytail guy. Okay, we got a Sasuke with a huge wave behind him. Cool. Ooh, we got this guy. What is going on with that? That is interesting. And we got a holograph Sasuke. Sweet. Very sweet. Alright, pack number 7. Alright, we got another Sasuke. It's a pretty cool looking card. Oh, we got Naruto eating ramen. I know Naruto loves his ramen, and so do I. I love ramen. Alright, we got this guy. Got this girl. And we got this person right here. Alright, cool. Alright. So, we are on pack number 8, and I think there's 25 cards or packs in this box. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I guess we'll just find out till the end, but... Okay. Got Sakura. It's very nice. We got Naruto giving us the thumbs up. Oh, it's the dog. It's the little ninja dog who is a back bling for Kakashi. That's cool. Got this purple guy. William Afton, is that you? No, I'm just kidding. And this guy. So this is the holo. I like the background behind him. It looks like the Rocky Mountains. That's pretty cool. Like, I'm betting right now a lot of Naruto fans could be watching this and are just like, dude, how the hell do you not know this person's name? Like you gotta get the names right, man. Again, I'm sorry. I just think it's fun to, like, you know, dive into something that I've never experienced before and just go blindly in this. So, yeah. Oh, we got the sand guy, who is also in Fortnite. I forgot his name, but I know he uses sand as his power. It's pretty cool. We got this dude wearing glasses. Alright. Looks like we got a duplicate of this person right here. Ooh, we got Sasuke. I believe that's when he's turning evil. Like, again, I don't know the lore, but I think this has something to do with Sasuke turning evil. And, whoa, look at this. Okay, that's gotta be like a super rare, because that's like a different holographic Sakura card. Okay, I think SSR means like super rare. R means rare, or maybe just not. Maybe R just means common, and probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But it's fine. Alright. Pack number 9. Oh no. Say, don't fall on me, camera, please. Whoa, look at this dude. He's got a whole bunch of arms. And it looks like there's a web around him, so... Spider-Man? I doubt it. Ooh, okay. Got like Scarface here. Alright, we got this smiling kid. Is he a double? I can't remember. I have no idea how many cards are in this set, so just gonna assume there's a lot, because we're getting a lot of new ones. And our super rare is this big dude with red bushy hair. Alright, that's cool. Alright, this is pack number 10. Alright, we got a hooded guy. We got Sakura. That's a duplicate of a Naruto card. Seen that one? We got this dude, another ponytail person. And we got a rare Naruto card. Another super rare. Cool. I like the holographic cards. They look really cool. Alright. Pack number 11. Alright. I got this orange head kid. Whoa, look at this guy. Looks like a Kabuki. A Kabuki ninja. Duplicate of this guy right here. Oh. Here's the lady in purple. Hey, there's Kakashi. I was wondering if we were ever going to get a card of him. And it looks like we did. Got a Kakashi card. Alright. Man, there are so many packs in here. I think... Is this pack number 11 or pack 12? I want to say pack 12? Oh, man. Maybe doing this in one take was not a good idea, but... No going back now. Since I've already opened half of these. Alright. I think... Yeah, this is a duplicate of the guy with the sword. Duplicate werewolf. We got a toad. A happy, chubby toad. Okay, a redhead with glasses. Cool. And oh, it's the Kabuki ninja. Nice. Alright. Pack number 13. Let's go. Move! Trying to not put my phone get knocked over while recording this. Okay, wait, that just fell. Alright, so I think, yeah, this is a duplicate Sasuke. We got this guy that with, like, I don't even know what you would call that hair. Like pigtails or something. Oh, this is young Sasuke. Cool. And we have our hollow. Very nice. Alright. Pack number 14. Alright. Duplicate Naruto. We got a duplicate of the dog. We have this chick, she's new. She's got some fans. Nice. We got this guy. And whoa, look at this. Okay, this is probably my favorite card so far. Look at this guy. Damn, that looks so cool, man. I love the art on this card. Alright. Pack number 15. Number 15. Could I get the number 15? I got a duplicate of this guy. We got this kid. That's new. Okay, got a redhead ninja. Cool. We got this guy with some wheat in his mouth. Alright. And we got a hollow Sakura. Nice. Alright. Pack number 16. Alright, we got a duplicate of this guy. A duplicate of the ponytail. Do we have a duplicate of... Yeah, this one I think is Itachi. I think that's his name. Duplicate of the red guy, and a hollow is this guy right here. So that's the only new one of that pack. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot of packs in this box. And for $8 too, that's crazy. Alright, pack number 17. Alright, duplicate Naruto. Chubby Toad, Kabuki Ninja. Wait, is this a duplicate? Maybe not, I don't know. The kid's a duplicate and a new hollow card. Alright, cool. So opening the whole box, I have a feeling we were going to get a lot of duplicates. Again, I don't know how many is in this set, so just have to wait and see as we move on. Alright, duplicate Scarface, Glasses Ninja, the dog, this person, and is that a duplicate? I don't know. I can't tell if we already got this one, because I've opened so many packs and I got a bad memory. So a holographic Sasuke. Alright, pack number 18. Alright, Kabuki Ninja. Whoa, look at this. Okay, this guy is new. That's pretty cool looking. Alright, Sakura, the kid, and a duplicate Naruto card. I mean, I had a feeling we were going to get a lot of Narutos, because, I mean, it is about Naruto. So, alright, Fangirl, duplicate, Pigtails guy, Ponytail guy, Sword guy, and a new holo card. Looks like he's got some headgear on him. That's cool. Pack number 19. Okay, duplicate Itachi, Redhead, Lady in Purple, Mattress Guy. Whoa! Okay, this is surely a super rare. Look at this! Is that like Naruto powered up? That is so cool looking. Alright. Okay. Pack number 20. Alright. Sakura, Lady and the Pig, Naruto, Laughing Kid. New holo is this guy with like a bloody coat. It's pretty cool. Alright. Pack number 21. So we got Coat Guy, we got this girl, we got Chubby Toad, we got the Green Guy, and Green Guy again, but he's a holo. And that's a new card. Sweet. So I'm starting to wonder if we got all the commons, and we're just gonna... The only new ones we're gonna pull is rares. One way to find out. Alright. Lady in Purple. Is this guy new? He looks new. Alright, guy with red cheeks. Glasses guy, Naruto. Whoa, look at this lady. She kind of looks like a vampire. She kind of looks like Michael Jackson as a vampire. Cool. Alright. Pack number 20. Yeah, okay. I think this is pack number 21. So we're getting close to the end. Kabuki Ninja, Ponytail Guy, Sakura, Scarface, a rare Kakashi. Kakashi, not Katashi, Kakashi. Alright. That's pretty cool. Alright. Pack number 22. Okay, we got this girl. It's the girl from Fortnite. Orange-haired guy. Pigtail man. Kabuki Ninja. And a holograph of this guy, which is new. Alright. Alright, we got Evil Sasuke, Naruto eating ramen, the red-haired girl, fangirl, and powered up Sasuke card. Rare. Pack number 24. Alright, we got the smiling guy, green guy, Lady and the Pig, Itachi, and we got Sasuke with a bunch of kunais and like a ninja star. Damn, that's really menacing looking. Yeah. Alright. This is our last pack, guys. Our last pack. What will we get inside? Way to find out. So here we go. We got the teacher, the redhead girl, lady in purple, girl, Sakura, and last but not least, this blonde guy. And that is it. We have opened the whole box of Naruto cards. Well, y'all, this was a lot of fun to open. All these cards I got were pretty amazing looking. Again, I do apologize for not knowing any of their names since I don't know anything about Naruto. But I got this from Temu for a very cheap price, and I thought to do a fun unboxing video where I open this up and see what I get, because it's a total mystery. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think of this video and what's your favorite card in this poll. Salamander Commander, signing out.